morning, girls. What are you doing today?
We're waiting on our new sister.
You have a new sister coming today?
Yes, and I got her a present.
Oh, yeah, Tallulah, I see you have her little dolly. I'm sure she'll like that. What about you, Phoebe? What are you waiting on? You waiting on your new sister? With Tallulah and Alice? Y'all excited about getting a new sister today?
Yes! We excited!
Phoebe, they're excited. Are you excited? No? You excited for the mailman to come so you can bark at him? The mailman's here? Just kidding, girls. Just kidding. Your sister's not here yet. She'll be here any minute now.
Hurry up, lady, and get her out of this box. She can't breathe in all that plastic.
Sassy, are you excited to be getting a new sister too? Let's see what our new sister looks like.
There she is! Oh, she looks like me!
For real?
Yeah, I think she's my twin.
I don't think so. She's smaller than you. Sassy, what are you doing? Here, there's your new sister.
Here, I got you a gift! I got you a gift!
Okay, just a minute, Tallulah. Let me get her out. She looks happy to be here, doesn't she?
She's so happy!
She does look very happy. Let's get her out.
Thank you for getting me out of the box. It was hot.
Oh, she was hot in the box, girls.
What's wrong with her legs?
Oh, there's nothing wrong with her legs. We just gotta take the paper off.
Why does she have paper on her legs?
That's just the way they ship her, okay?
Did somebody ship me like that?
Yes, Tallulah, you were shipped the same way. You had paper on your arms and legs, too. Doesn't she look happy to be here? She's so excited to see her new sisters. Are y'all excited?
Yeah! I'm excited!
Here, give her her doll. Well, aren't you three so cute? Alice, what do you think of your new sister?
I like her. I think she's really cute.
Tallulah, what do you think about your sister?
She's nice. I'll share my toys with her.
Oh, that's a good idea, Tallulah. Share your toys with her. And she looks like she loves the new toy you gave her, the little dolly.
Yeah, she likes it. I'm a good sister.
Yes, you are a good sister.
Hey, lady.
What, Tallulah?
What is our new sister's name?
Well, her name is Lucy.
Oh, I like her name, Lucy.
So we have Tallulah, who we sometimes call Lula, and then Lucy, who is so excited to be home. And then we have Alice, our big sister, who loves to take care of us and look after everyone.
And we have more sisters.
Yes, Tallulah, you do have more sisters.
We have brothers, too.
Oh, yeah, that's right, Alice. Y'all do have a lot of sisters and brothers. But today, Y'all are the two that welcomed Lucy home. So this is Baby Alanna. She is a Paradise Galleries doll. A couple years ago, they had a contest, a baby photo contest. And so a grandmother submitted a photo of her little granddaughter, Alana. And that photo won. I don't know how it was judged or anything like that, but it was selected. And a doll was to be made in the likeness of Alana. And so that's who we have here today is Baby Alanna. She's from Paradise Galleries, and she is 25 inches tall, and she is just as cute as can be. Look at those teeth. She's smiling. She's so happy to meet Tallulah and Alice. So here is her COA, which is certificate. I can't even talk. Her COA. We're going to leave it at that. Beautiful Baby Alanna. So let me pull this out and see what it says about it. Her sculptor is Ping Lao. Oh, she is number 37. Beautiful Baby Alanna. Her sculptor is Ping Lao. Ping Lao is a really famous doll sculptor and artist in the doll world. I know a lot of you aren't familiar with that, but anyway, she is a really famous doll sculptor. And she has lots and lots of dolls out there that she sculpts, and then they are made into kits, and then people who are true doll artists buy those kits and paint them, and just unbelievably lifelike dolls. And anyway, she also makes dolls for Paradise Galleries and Ashton Drake. So a lot of times they will have her to make a doll to go in their doll line. And so I do have several of Ping Lao's dolls that came from Ashton Drake. Came from Paradise Galleries. I don't think I have any of her dolls that came from Ashton Drake, although there are some out there that, on Ashton Drake by Ping Lao that are adorable. I just haven't gotten one from there yet. But I have several by Ping Lao that are from Paradise Galleries. So anyway, and also Alice here. This is Alice. And this is Tallulah, who we sometimes call Lula. They are Ashton Drake dolls. And Alana is a Paradise Galleries. So anyway, she's really cute. She has on such a cute little white dress. And she's a standing doll. I think she can be forced to sit, but I, for one, don't like to force my dolls to do anything. If it doesn't come naturally for them, I don't force it because I want to take care of my dolls. And so, yeah, I just don't force it. But she's such a cutie. I really like her. She came out this past Thursday. She was became available for purchase. I think there was a teaser a couple of days about her, not showing all of her, but just showing maybe her feet or something, And then, so there was a teaser a day or so, and then she came out for purchase on Thursday. I saw her and I thought, I need her. She is so cute and unique. I need her in my doll collection. And so Friday, I was like, I'm ordering that doll today. And so I ordered her Friday about midday. Well, just after I ordered her, I was just in the nick of time because she sold out that same day. So she was only out for sale Thursday and Friday, and she sold out. I knew she was going to be a quick seller, I have waited on dolls before and they sold out, and sometimes I was able to get the doll later and sometimes not. But yeah, I knew I really wanted her. I thought she would just be a fun little doll to have in my collection and to take around and do little photos of and such. And so she is going to be available again, I believe, in September. They have her on pre-order right now. And there are codes out there where you can get discounts. I know there's a 15% code out there and a 20% code out there available. I can't think of what the codes are right now, but if you search out there, you can find codes for Paradise Galleries. And so, yeah, I was able to use a 20% off coupon for her. And you also, on Paradise Galleries, you get a reward points. And so then you can use those reward points towards purchase of dolls. And if you save up your points, then you can get a free doll. And so I have done that before, saved up my points to the point where I got a free doll. But anyway, I think they're a fun little trio. And like we were saying a moment ago, we have lots of other sisters and brothers. I just used Alice and Tallulah for today's video. But if you like these kind of videos where the dolls are doing things, you know, and seeing what they're up to, let me know in the comments and we might add some of those in, just like a little clips in some of my videos, to check in and see what the dolls are up to, see what kind of shenanigans Tallulah has going on, because she is always up to something. Aren't you, Tallulah? And now we have Lucy to join our group, and Alice is a good big sister. She likes to take care of everybody and make sure everybody has stuff that they need. She's always trying to be a little mama. And we have other sisters. We have Sadie, who is the oldest sister, but she is at summer camp right now. She will be home in a few days, and she'll be in videos. And then we have, our sister Maggie. She's asleep right now, so she couldn't be in the video. But we do have lots more brothers and sisters who also like to be in videos. We just didn't tell them about today. All right, girls, anything anybody wants to say?
Yeah, can we have some ice cream?
I think that sounds like a good idea, Tallulah. We can have some ice cream to welcome Lucy home. And then I can probably take Lucy to get some photos made this weekend.
Are we going to be in the photos?
Be in the photos? Oh, I don't know, Tallulah. Do you want to be in the photos?
Yes, I'd like to have my picture made.
What about you, Alice?
It doesn't matter. Whatever you want to do. What that? What that?
Well, Lucy, that is a cat using a litter box. And she likes to get over there in that litter box while I'm making a video and scratch those pellets to make a lot of noise.
I cared.
No, it's nothing to be scared about. Don't be scared, Lucy. She's a friendly cat. She just likes to make a lot of noise when I do a video. She's funny cat. Okay, girls, y'all want to wave bye?
Bye, friends.
Okay, girls, I think we need to take Lucy shopping. She needs some clothes.
She can wear my clothes.
No, Tallulah, your clothes are too big for Lucy. She needs about a 6 to 9 month clothes. And she wears like a size 2 shoe. And you wear a size 6 shoe. Or 5 or 6. And Alice wears a size 6 shoe. So Lucy can't wear your shoes or your clothes. She needs her own clothes. So wave bye.